Hello, this is Gio. Hey, I had a request from one of my viewers about Samsung TV. Specifically, how do you get a smart Samsung TV into game mode? So what is game mode? Well, game mode on TVs is a method to electronically bypass some video signals, and this subsequently cuts down the amount of time your TV needs to process video inputs for your games. So what does this mean? It means that the video signal coming from your game won't lag so much. You may notice an improvement in the video. Okay, so how do you get to the game mode on your Samsung Smart TV? Well, it's pretty simple. What you want to do is take your remote, you want to hit the home button right here, and that will get you that little bar on the bottom. And then you want to scroll to the left until you hit that little crankshaft symbol, settings, and which is right there. Now you don't want to select that. What you want to do is go up to the blue bar up on top, and you want to scroll to the right until you hit game mode. Now and then just select it. Right now it's off, and so you just want to select it again, and it will momentarily go blank and it'll turn on. And from here, those couple of video signals will be disconnected, and you'll get a smoother video signal from your game console to your TV, and hopefully you will notice the difference. And there you go. That's how you turn on the game mode on your Samsung Smart TV. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I will have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.